Behind me, we've got a 3-kilowatt fibre laser. Years ago, these machines were almost unattainable for your average machine shop. And today with fibre laser, we've been able to put one in on a 60 amp plug. You normally would need a substation out the front if it was a CO2 laser. Fibre's good, quite efficient on power. We put solar panels on the roof. We've tried to balance our consumption to what the machine does. It can cut anything up to about 20 mil thick, which generally gets you out of trouble for most of the time. If it's anything more than 20 mil, we've got a water jet cutter that can handle it. The machine runs on some basic software, CAD, just a DXF file. We nest the parts to try to make it as efficient as possible on that sheet. And you tell the machine what material you've got in terms of grade and thickness, and it'll basically do everything for you.